Let's take a look at the measure 43, that part where you start having the hammer-ons and pull-offs. So this is what you're going to play, right? 43, you're going to do that 2 times. And then 44, you're going to do the same thing. 45, the same thing. So from 43 all the way up to 52, that's what you're going to play, the thumb. Okay, and then as you look, the chords come in, right? And you have that. And you have a chord again. And you have another chord. And then so the chords that come in, look at measure 45. You have the open strings. So that's all you're playing, but you're playing that along with the. Okay, so you do have to practice that till you get it down, and do it slow. Use a metronome. Measure 46, you have the low D, the D on the 4th string, and the C sharp 3rd string 6th fret. You play those right there. That's a measure 46. Measure 47, 1st, 2nd string, 3rd string open, along with the 6th string open. Going on to 48, it's the same thing that you're playing at 46. Okay, going on to 49, that's the same thing you're playing at 45, except there's an added chord at the end, right? So you're going to do this on 49. So when you're doing the last 2 16th notes of measure 49, you're going to play the open 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. Okay, going on to 50, you're going to go to that again. That's at measure 50. Going on to 51. Okay, it's just the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string open. Okay, going on 52. That chord again. Okay, take a look at measure 53 now. That's where the time signature changes. All you're going to do is play a G right here on the 6th string, 5th fret, and then you're going to do hammer on, pull off, hammer on, pull off, hammer on, pull off on the 2nd and 3rd string. Okay, that's measure 53. Measure 54. That's what the bass is playing. Okay, and then you're playing the open, first 3 strings open at the same time. So this is 54. Going on to 55, you're going to go back to this little part again that you have on 53. Okay, 56. Same thing. And then same thing as you have on 54. Okay, so going on 57. Okay, you're just changing the bass note there. So on 57, you're playing the 1st and 2nd strings, hammer on, pull off, hammer on, pull off. Okay, you're playing the 1st string open with that as well. Okay, and then your A string is going to be open, 5th string. Okay, 58. Sounds again like this, 58. 59. Oh yeah, you also have the first 3 strings are ringing open. All right, 59. Okay, 59 is the same as 57. To 60. It's almost the same as 58. On 58, the last 2 notes you play a D and then you go to C sharp. Okay. On measure 60, you're going to do the same thing. Instead of going to the C sharp, you're going to play an A. Okay, so instead of going to the 4th fret, you're going to the open string on the 5th string. Going on to 61. This is the tricky part. You have a hammer on the chord. Okay, you have the low 6th string is open. They're all open. 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and 6th. But you have a bar chord there. So you're at the 7th fret. You're stretching all the way to the 2nd string, 10th, and 3rd string, 11. Then you have a harmonic. Okay, so this is again, you have this. Going on to 62. Again. 62. You have the harmonic ringing from 61, and you're going to play. Okay, going on to 63, you're going to do the same thing you did at 61. Okay. 64. Is almost the same as 62. It's just the last note you're changing. So on 64, 4, you're going to play open string there. Okay. Going on to 65. You're just doing the first string, second string, third string open, along with the fifth string open. You play those together. You're going to do a hammer on and then a pull off. Okay, 66. Okay, 66 again. 67 and 68. Do you have a? It slows down, so you're going to do this. Back to the beginning. Okay. Oh yeah, on the Coda, you have this. That is just this. Hope that helps.